Myself Amit Sanjay Rawambal, and today's my Java topic is operators in Java. Operators are basically none other. Operators are nothing else than symbol that is used to perform operations according to user requirement. It can be assigns the value in variable and values. There are 8 major types of operator in Java program. Or Java program operators are divided into eight parts or 8 types. First one is arithmetic operator, logical operators, unary operator, ternary operators, assignment operator, bitwise operator, shift operators, and relational operators. Assignment. Now we can see these 8 operators in details. First one is assignment operator. Assignment operator is used where it needs in mathematical equations, or it is generally used in mathematical equations. Assignment operators. Examples of assignment operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division. And then second one is relational operator. Relational operator shows the relation between two sentence and two values, like greater than, less than, or greater than equal to, less than equal to. These are some relational operators. Third one is increment decrement. Increment decrement is divided into 3 types or 4 types. Like first one is pre increment, second is pre decrement, post increment, and post decrement. When we use pre increment, we have to assign plus sign twice in before the value, or when we use post increment, we have to assign plus sign after the value. When we use similarly, when we use pre increment, we have to assign minus sign twice, minus sign before the value. And when we use post increment, we have to post decrement, we have to assign minus sign after the value. The next one is assignment operator. After assignment operator is simple assignment and compound assignment. These divided assignment operators. In simple assignment, we simply use is equal to. But when we use compound assignments is divided. There are examples of compound assignments like plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication or equal to, or division equal to. Then we use ternary operators. Ternary operators generally used where the conditional statements are required, like if, else, or else if. These are the applications or uses of ternary operators. Then bitwise operator. Bitwise operator is divided into AND, OR, XOR, or complements. These are bitwise operator. Then shift operator. Shift operator is generally right shift or left shift. Logical operators are double AND. These are some examples of logical operators. These are done from my side. Hopefully guys you enjoyed the video and you can clear the view from bitwise operator or else some operators in Java. Thank you guys.